Good morning, friends. Welcome to Canines Coach. So, as I said, it's the first episode of our series, the complete dog training in 30 episodes. So, friends, you can see yesterday we have spoken about the bonding and name association part. So, we can see that our trainers are practicing with the name association part. Okay, just they are calling the name. It's a repetition. Actually, we need to revise yesterday's training and we can go further. So we are going to teach today's dog how to walk the dog on the heel. The heel walk. Heel walk means the dog should walk along with you when you walk. When you stop, the dog should stop with you. So you can see just they are practicing the name association thing. Okay. Again the Shadow, the Tank, the Susie and the Danny. Okay. Okay. This the name association you need to practice well. So now we will go for the heel walk practice. So it's a small place, so it may not be possible here. So we will go out. So you just follow the verb here. Just go out. चलने दो, फ्री छोड़ो, डॉग को चलने दो, चलो, ठीक है, फ्री छोड़ो, कोई पुल नहीं करना, चलो, चलो. So you can see the dogs are walking in front of the trainers. So we are teaching the dog how to walk on the heel. Look at the dog how he is pulling. So if he pulls like this, so who can take the dog for a walk? So, ठीक है. So एक लाइन में हो जाओ, एक लाइन में. The dogs are pulling because they don't know how to walk on the heel. They are walking in a wayward condition. You can see Danny. ठीक है, ठीक है. So he is also pulling. ठीक है. फ्री में छोड़ो, एक लाइन में हो जाओ. ठीक. Just look at the pull. Look at the pull. Look at the pull. Look at the pull of the dog. So we will teach how to dog walk. So first step in teaching a dog to heel walk is that just allow the dog to walk, and we will say how to control the dog during the walk. It is called breaking the momentum method, right? So first चलो start करो, ठीक है, मेरी कमांड पे चलते रहो. You can see the dog is not walking along with Deepak. She is staying back and she is trying to move here and there. Move, turn around. Turn around. You can see when the dog is pulling, the trainer is turning around. So he is breaking the momentum of the dog and he is treating the dog at the right moment. Treat. Right. चलो. राकेश, free छोड़ो, leash free छोड़ो. देखो, you can see. If you pull, I will turn. ठीक. Look at this. देखो. Yeah, if this kind of a gigantic dog pulls you, then there are chances that you can fall down. So it's a simple method. Start walking. Everyone, start walking. ठीक है. Simple. If you pull, I will turn. चलो. So Tank is trying will go in front. When he goes in front, the trainer will turn around. चलो. Shadow. चलो. चलते रहो. देखो, let us. Shadow is pulling like this, but they are walking. Turn. The concept is very simple. If you pull, I will turn. Rakesh, please keep walking. If you pull, if you stay back, I will again turn. Just break the momentum of the dog so that the dog will be habituated to walking along with you. Just the dog should get habituated to walking along with you. Okay? Yes. If you pull, I will turn. Look at Rakesh. If you pull, I will turn. Okay? Without any punishment. Okay? If you pull, I will turn. That's it. The simple method. If you pull, I will turn. We will condition the dog. Okay? Right. Treat the dog when the dog is walking along with you. Treat the dog. When the dog is walking along with you, treat the dog. Very good. Look at this. ठीक है. थोड़ा सा दूर हो जाओ बेटा. थोड़ा दूर हो जाओ. चलो. थोड़ा दूर हो जाओ. If you pull, I will turn. If you pull, I will turn. If you pull, I will turn. If you walk along with me, I will treat. If you walk along with me, I will treat. If you pull, I will turn. If you stay back, I will just motivate you. चलो, शाबाश. Good boy. Motivate करो. अगर डॉग रुक जा रहा है तो मोटिवेट करो. अगर डॉग पुल कर रहा है तो पीछे मुड़ो. गुड बॉय, शाबाश, गुड बॉय. चलो, चलते रहो. वेरी गुड. So you can see Shadow is reluctant in walking, but still we need to motivate the dog and keep walking. The ultimate aim of the training is that the dog should walk along with us. Okay. Look at Danny. You can see the change. Two to three times we have broken his momentum. The dog is trying to walk along with him. We are not using any kind of choke chains. We are not using any kind of prong collars. We are not using any harsh punishment. Just motivating the dog. Just motivating the dog to walk along with you. The simple formula: if you pull, I am going to turn. The dog will understand subconsciously that there is no point pulling. Just it will be very comfortable and happy if I walk along with you. Okay. Look at this. So this is the first step of teaching a dog how to walk on the heel. So we will show you the progress of this heel walk in coming slides. Look at Tank. Now he is coming to terms. He is trying to walk along. Look at Shadow. Everyone is trying to walk along with the heel. Motivate the dog. Motivate. Good boy. Very good. You can see. Now all the dogs are coming in terms with the heel walk. Because they are getting rewarded at the right time and they are getting the correction at the right time. So what is the correction? If you pull, I will turn. If you walk along with me, I will treat. If you pull, I will turn. If you walk along with me, I will treat. That is the method. Friends, consistency is the name of the game in dog training. If you are not consistent, the dog will not respond to you. You need to practice it at least 5 to 10 minutes a day, whatever he has learnt yesterday. Look at Susie. She is very comfortably walking now. It's a 5 minutes of habituation. Look at Tank. Look at Danny. Danny is walking along with him very nicely. Dog training is not a rocket science, friends. Dog training is very simple, but you need to be very consistent and you have to be very regular in your approach. And you need to love your dog to the core and correct the dog at the right moment and reward the dog at the right moment. Look at Danny. Danny has become more comfortable now. Okay. Susie is also very comfortable. Tank is also comfortable. You can see Shadow is also trying to walk along with him very nicely. Yes, very nicely. Right. Okay. That's it for today, friends. We are going to show you the progress in coming next episode. What is they have learned after practice of another one day. Thank you for today. Thank you.